Hey there. So thanks for attaching the image with all the dimensions on there. Makes it a little bit easier to work with. So I went in here and just created a quick little sketch. Um, and this part is actually half of a ellipse or an arc that's driven by this dimension and this dimension. These were just for reference, so I could kind of see where it needed to go and kind of what you were trying to do. So once we named these, so you'll see this one's length. Um, you go into your parameters, and if we sort these are all my named ones, so I just collect all that. When you come into environments, you go to the Inventor Studio, go to here, animate parameters. Then you can find your animate favorites in here, select them, so length for instance. You can drive that to 26, specified over 5 seconds, and hit OK. So then you will see that we have the length animated, the X and the Y. So we have our X here, 5 seconds, goes 1.5 to 2. So make this a little bit smaller, center our model, go back to the beginning, and then you hit play. And as you will see, it kind of squishes it out. Now, as far as in the model itself, trying to get two different instances within the same model, probably not going to work very well. But you can go to View, use your interface, turn on your little iLogic browser, add your form, and you can just drag your stuff into here, hit OK, go to your form. And if you wanted to get that other setup, you would just go through and then add those numbers in. So for 1, 2, I think it's backwards, 26. There you go. And then you can just set it like that and go through, and that would be your then secondary operation. So you really wouldn't need an iPart. You would just drive it by the form that you would know. If you had some sort of formula for how those are related, you could enter that in maybe as a function in your parameters. You can either add a numeric, things like that, or do iLogic. So